Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add Outlook calendar to my phone. But before I continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, you have to go to the settings app on your phone. Here you are, I'm gonna open it mine. And now in the settings page, you have to scroll it down until you find mail option. Here you are, I'm gonna open it. And after that, go ahead to the account option. In this accounts option, you will see the Outlook. Just go ahead. And as you can see here, there are a calendars option. Currently, mine is disabled. And to turn it on, just swiping the toggle next to calendar, switch to the right like that until it's turned green. So yeah, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.